It's my first time getting
Welcome.
to a laugh stream on HelloTalk.
You've come to the right place.
I hope so. I
Yeah.
just stole this app 3 days ago. Today is third day, I think. Yes,
Congratulations. You've come to the right place on the third day. Third time's the
third
charm.
times. Yes. So I'm not sure what is about this room. Is there any topic or subject or just can talk everything?
You are the guest. You have the microphone. I give you the permission to say what's in your heart.
So I've been practicing my English almost 3 months. Yeah, I keep practicing every day. So now I'm here, can speak to you guys. 2 days ago, I just got a language partner. He's from New York, and we talk every day. But I think from yesterday, it's like he disappeared.
So, are you teaching your daughter English?
I don't teach, but I will speak English with her sometimes. She sometimes doesn't understand, but as the time goes by, I think she will
Try your
understand
best.
that.
She will gradually learn from you.
Yes, gradually. I just speak all the time, speak more, and he will have the surrounding by English. I think he will get a progress.
Awesome. So, it looks like your journey on Hello Talk has been a roller coaster.
What does the roller coaster mean?
I will show you in a picture.
Okay, thank you.
This is a roller coaster.
哦，过山车，过山车。
I said your journey thus far has been a roller coaster on Hello Talk.